सुबह नया सूरज नई उमंगे भर के हम हवा का रुख हम बदलेंगे हौसले दिलों पे लेके हम आओ साथ साथ करें ये उड़ान हम चले छूने नया आसमां आओ साथ साथ करें ये उड़ान हम चले छूने नया आसमां.
My dear JBM family, the crisis we are facing is of a magnitude the world has never faced before. We are worried about our families, our business, our country. Friends, being challenged in life is inevitable. Being defeated is optional. The thing I am most proud of as a JBMite is our instinct to survive and excel. We at JBM have never accepted defeat and we never will.
We define resilience and have always been able to emerge from challenging times stronger. Like they say, the struggle you are in today is developing the strength you need tomorrow. Friends, I am certain we at JBM will be able to overcome these challenging times together by incorporating the AEIOU framework as etched out by our Honorable Prime Minister. What does AEIOU mean for JBM? A stands for adaptability. Let's strive to make our business models adaptable to changes beyond our control. E for efficiency, ensure 100%. I for inclusivity, promote a culture of togetherness. O for opportunity, seize every opportunity that comes our way. U for universalism, ensure our business principles and culture are adopted globally by each one of us.
Friends, we are facing a tough situation today, but remember, tough times do not last, tough people do. Whenever you find yourself doubting how far you can go, don't forget how far you have come and all the battles you have already won. It is worth remembering that the time of greatest gain in terms of wisdom and inner strength is often that of greatest difficulty.
Critical times such as this calls for every individual contribution towards work, home and society.
With positive attitude, usage of advanced technology and proactive approach, we can bail ourselves and come out of this crisis and be stronger than before. We must think about humanity as a whole.
We might have to come across circumstances we have never planned or worked upon. We need to strategize our effort to win over any hard-hitting situation with full enthusiasm and without losing heart.
It is to explore the best opportunities in this changing global economic order and extract best out of it for sustainability and growth of the organization.
Keeping yourself occupied with supply chain planning, production planning, maintenance planning, social distancing layout, manpower planning and regularly communicating with customers and suppliers is of utmost importance today.
As a socially responsible and nation-proud organization, we are collaborating with a technology startup of national importance to develop and scale up production of invasive ventilators in Pune.
JBM got into manufacturing of essential healthcare equipment such as hospital beds, ICU beds and stretchers to serve the mankind in a true Corona warrior spirit.
We have proven yet again, whether it's a calamity or a crisis, we can always set an example, provided we are ready to set aside our differences and fight together.
Even in such tough times, we have seen how every Indian, irrespective of their diversity, has come together.
During this stagnant time, the nature is healing itself and has hit the reboot button. Pollution is gone, cities and rivers are clean, sky is blue, birds are back.
The after effect of concrete jungle madness have gone. It is a great breather that when we go back to normalcy, we will have a better and cleaner planet.
This lockdown has took us back to an environment of almost half century ago. Within JBM, we have done intense introspection and we are committed to come out of this crisis as champions who rode the tide.
Now challenge is to keep economy moving in same gear, which requires drastic change in our mindset to prepare ourselves to make JBM initiatives a grand success.
The economy is down today, but together we can pull out of this situation by following Prime Minister's vowel theme.
Same way, JBM must set an example of how we came out of this challenging time and utilize this opportunity to ensure that take forward our legacy by the model of unlearn, relearn and cross-learn.
None of us will come off this lockdown same as we went in. We will emerge with a change in our thinking, and our way of doing things will be significantly different than before. The rules of the game will change too.
Powered by indomitable spirit of the founder, Mr. S.K. Arya, Mr. Nishant Arya imparted further impetus to the vision.
We have mastered many challenging situations over more than 3 decades. We are convinced that we will overcome this one too.
Despite that, we are all doing whatever we can to carry on and are learning to live with uncertainty without letting it weigh us down.
One JBM proliferated as a mass movement in the past 1 month.
Cultural amalgamation, technological synchronization, and synergetic endeavor has made us invincible and formidable.
Even in the downturn, when the tough got going and the going got tough, with the never say die spirit.
Each of us streamed to focus on the essentials to manage chaos that followed the clamping of lockdown.
For health and safety of the employees, stakeholders, and the nation at large, JBM crafted series of measures to be undertaken during and post-lockdown.
Joyful body and mind sessions were conducted to improve upon their mental and physical strength.
Friends, today each one of us stand united in a fight against this pandemic. Let's pray for our heroes, the frontline workers, selflessly battling the disease and saving countless lives. Let's be grateful, and we are privileged enough to be able to work from home without worrying about our next meal. Let's remember, in the midst of chaos, there is always opportunity. And as they always say, a smooth sea never made a skillful sailor.
Let's take care of each other and our families and choose to spread joy every day. Let's hope for a better tomorrow and be optimistic. It will be here soon. Most importantly, let's not forget to understand our true potential. It has been rightly said, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength. I thank you all for your efforts in steering JBM to weather this crisis. I would like to conclude with a few lines from a Hindi poem. कोशिश कर, हल निकलेगा, आज नहीं तो कल निकलेगा. अर्जुन के तीर सा सद, मरुस्थल से भी जल निकलेगा. मेहनत कर, पौधों को पानी दे, बंजर जमीन से भी फल निकलेगा. ताकत जुटा, हिम्मत को आग दे, फौलाद को भी बल निकलेगा. जिंदा रख, दिल में उम्मीदों को, गरल के समंदर से भी गंगा जल निकलेगा. कोशिशें जारी रख, कुछ कर गुजरने की, जो आज है थमा थमा सा, चल निकलेगा, चल निकलेगा. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
आओ सब